In the mists of antiquity, dating back over a millennium, the origins of what we now know as the United Kingdom began to take form. The island of Great Britain was initially inhabited by Celtic tribes, including the Britons, who established communities and engaged in tribal warfare. The Romans invaded in 43 AD, establishing the province of Britannia and leaving a legacy of infrastructure and urbanization that persisted even after their withdrawal in the early 5th century AD. Following the departure of the Romans, the island faced invasions and settlements by various groups, including the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes, who collectively became known as the Anglo-Saxons. This period was characterized by the creation of numerous small kingdoms, which eventually coalesced into the Kingdom of England by the 10th century under the rule of King Athelstan. At the same time, the northern part of the island saw the formation of the Kingdom of Scotland, influenced by multiple cultures, including the Picts, Gaels, and later, the Norse. The Norman conquest of England in 1066, led by William the Conqueror, further shaped the development of the nation's social and political structure. Scotland and England continued as separate entities for centuries, often engaged in warfare but also in alliances. It wasn't until 1603, with the union of the crowns under James VI of Scotland, who became James I of England, that a personal union was formed. This paved the way for the eventual political unification. In 1707, the Acts of Union were passed, and the Kingdom of Great Britain was officially established, merging the English and Scottish parliaments. Later, in 1801, the Union was extended to include Ireland, forming the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. However, in 1922, the Irish Free State was established, and the nation evolved into the current United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Thus, the United Kingdom's origins are a tapestry woven from the threads of Celtic, Roman, Anglo-Saxon, Norse, Norman, and various other influences, culminating in a unified state through centuries of conflict, cooperation, and political maneuvers.